to our learners so that our learners be safe in all ways. We are striving as a school to be in a friendly learning environment. However, challenges are there, and that one is one of our challenges. Finally, I want to appeal, now that everything is now digital, globally, people have gone digital, communities have gone digital, learners are learning digitally, and therefore I'm appealing for digital infrastructure in our schools. I'm appealing for computers if they can be found. We have a room. We have a room where we can house them so that our learners can learn. So constructed by alumni. We are grateful for that. Our gate there was also made through alumni. You have made so many things that we cannot mention all of them, including praying for us. So as you go back, we are praying for you, and we are urging you to continue thinking about all. Otherwise, thank you and feel welcome once more. Asante.
Thank you so much, our guests, our teachers, for the words you have given, observations that you have given. I want to believe our alumni representatives who are around have taken the information, and through God's will, not their own powers, all these things shall be achieved. Gotichaki Comprehensive School, as we stated earlier, is a school which is led by a church, started by a church, and always under the leadership of a church. I mean a pastor who is giving us or leading us in prayers. So we believe, it's our conviction, all shall be well. All the requests that our head teachers put forward, I think with God's intervention, things will be well.